Hey everyone, welcome back to In a Great Sun. Here's what Tesla doesn't highlight when they sell a Powerwall. Most models can't keep up with the high power draw of level 2 EV chargers. As EV sales boom and net metering incentives shrink, more homeowners are looking to batteries to protect their wallets. But before you spend thousands on storage, you need to know two critical things: how much electricity your EV really uses, and what a Powerwall can actually deliver. Today I'm breaking down the real math, showing you whether your current setup can handle your EV, and how to size a system that actually works when you need it most. Let's address the elephant in the room. If you bought a Powerwall thinking it would seamlessly charge your EV during outages, you might be in for a shock. Electric cars are remarkably efficient. Modern EVs use just 25 to 40 kilowatt hours to travel 100 miles. The average American drives 37 miles per day, so an efficient EV uses roughly 9 kilowatt hours daily, while a heavier SUV might use 23 kilowatt hours. Now here's the problem. Tesla's Powerwall 2 and Powerwall Plus store 13.5 kilowatt hours, enough for your daily driving in a small EV. But here's where it gets tricky. Powerwall 2 can only deliver 5 kilowatts continuously, while most level 2 EV chargers draw 6 to 10 kilowatts. That means your Powerwall 2 can't even sustain full-speed charging. It'll trip offline trying to keep up. Only the new Powerwall 3, with its 11.5 kilowatt output, can handle a typical level 2 charger. But even then, you'll drain that 13.5 kilowatt hour battery in just over an hour of charging. The bottom line, most EV owners with single Powerwall systems can charge their car slowly, but they can't do it fast, and they definitely can't do it while powering their house during an outage. Let me show you exactly how this plays out with 3 real scenarios. Let me tell you about Chris. He commutes 30 to 40 miles daily in a Tesla Model 3 using about 9 to 10 kilowatt hours per day. Chris paired an 8 kilowatt solar array with a single Powerwall 3. During the day, his panels charge the battery. At night, his battery tops up the car and powers his essential loads: lights, Wi-Fi, refrigerator. Here's why Chris's system works. His daily EV consumption of 10 kilowatt hours plus 8 kilowatt hours for essential house loads equals 18 kilowatt hours total daily need. His 8 kilowatt solar system produces about 32 kilowatt hours on sunny days, more than enough to fill his 13.5 kilowatt hour Powerwall and handle his needs. Chris rarely pulls energy from the grid anymore. For light drivers like Chris, one Powerwall 3 can be enough, but notice he has plenty of solar and drives efficiently. Now let's look at Lisa, our customer from Florida. She drives a 90 kilowatt hour electric SUV and commutes 80 miles daily, using 20 to 25 kilowatt hours per day just for her car. She started with a single Powerwall 2 and quickly discovered it could only handle half her EV's daily needs. She was still pulling expensive peak rate power from the grid every night. Lisa's problem wasn't just capacity, it was charging speed. Her level 2 charger wanted 7.2 kilowatts, but her Powerwall 2 could only deliver 5 kilowatts continuously. Her car was charging at 70% speed, taking much longer to fill up. Lisa upgraded to 2 Powerwall 3s, giving her 27 kilowatt hours of storage and 23 kilowatts of continuous power output. Now she can charge her SUV at full speed, run her AC during expensive peak hours, and stay completely off the grid from 4 to 9 p.m. when rates are highest. The lesson here: if you're a heavy commuter, have a large EV or multiple EVs, expect to stack batteries. Now let's look at the Martinez family in Texas who thought they were prepared. They had a Tesla Model Y and a Powerwall 2 thinking it would handle both house and car during outages. During the February freeze, they learned otherwise. Day 1 of the outage, they used 15 kilowatt hours keeping their house warm and essential systems running. That left them nothing for the car. Day 2. With no solar production due to snow-covered panels, they had to choose: power the house or charge the car for emergency trips. They chose the house and were stuck at home while neighbors with gas cars could reach open stores 30 miles away. In emergencies, your priorities change. You run refrigerators, heating, and medical devices first. You only charge the car once you know you have enough house power. Tesla's off-grid vehicle charging mode makes this possible, but your EV becomes secondary to survival needs. Let's quickly cover why charging speeds matter so much. Level 1 charging uses your regular 120-volt outlet and takes 40 to 50 hours to charge a big battery, completely impractical for daily use. Level 2 chargers run on 240 volts and can charge a battery electric vehicle to 80% in about 4 to 10 hours. These typically draw 6 to 10 kilowatts of power. Here's where the Powerwall specs become critical. Powerwall 2, 5 kilowatts continuous output, can't sustain most level 2 chargers. Powerwall Plus, 7.6 kilowatts off-grid, 5 kilowatts on-grid, marginal for EV charging. Powerwall 3, 11.5 kilowatts continuous, can handle any residential EV charger. But remember, all three store just 13.5 kilowatt hours. Even the Powerwall 3, charging at full speed, will drain completely in about 70 minutes. This is why solar becomes essential. And you need panels to refill your battery during the day so you can charge your EV at night. A rough rule of thumb, you need at least 4 to 5 kilowatts of solar panels for every 13.5 kilowatt hour Powerwall if you want to fully recharge it daily. More if you live in a cloudy region. So how do you size a battery system for your specific situation? Here's my step-by-step formula. Step 1. Calculate your daily EV consumption. Track your actual usage for 2 weeks using your car's app. Don't guess. Measure. Multiply your daily miles by your car's efficiency rating. Most EVs use 0.25 to 0.4 kilowatt hours per mile. Step 2. Add your essential house loads. During outages or expensive peak hours, how much power does your house need? Usually 10 to 20 kilowatt hours per day for essentials. Step 3. Determine your storage days. 1 day for basic time of use arbitrage, 2 to 3 days for storm backup. Step 4. Check your charging speed needs. What's your level 2 charger's power draw? 6.4 kilowatts? 7.2 kilowatts? Your battery system needs to match or exceed this output. Step 5. Apply the formula. Total battery capacity needed equals daily EV consumption plus daily house loads times storage days times 1.25 safety factor. Example, you use 15 kilowatt hours daily for your EV, 12 kilowatt hours for essential house loads, and want 2 days of storage. Formula 15 plus 12 times 2 times 1.25 equals 67.5 kilowatt hours needed. That's 5 Powerwalls, not 1. Step 6. Solar sizing check. Your solar needs to replace your total daily consumption. In our example, that's 27 kilowatt hours per day, requiring about 8 to 10 kilowatts of solar panels, depending on your location. Let me save you from the 5 biggest EV battery sizing mistakes I see. Mistake 1. The single Powerwall fantasy. Thinking one battery can handle both your house and your EV long term. It might work for very light drivers, but most people need more storage. Mistake 2. Ignoring charging speed limits. Your EV can charge at 7 to 11 kilowatts, but older Powerwalls can't deliver that power. You'll be stuck with slow charging that takes twice as long. Mistake 3. Forgetting seasonal variation. Your solar production drops 40 to 60% in winter, right when your EV uses more energy due to cold weather and heating systems draw more power. Mistake 4. No time of use strategy. Batteries make the most financial sense when your utility has big peak rate spreads. If your rates are flat, battery ROI drops significantly. Mistake 5. Undersized solar arrays. Installing huge batteries without enough solar to recharge them daily. You'll hit the expensive grid every night, defeating the purpose. Here's why this all matters financially. Many utilities now charge 2 to 4 times more from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Exactly when solar isn't producing, but you want to charge your car. For example, Southern California Edison's TOD Prime plan charges about 25 cents per kilowatt hour during off-peak hours and 61 cents per kilowatt hour from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. on weekdays, more than double. A family using 20 kilowatt hours daily for EV charging could save over $250 per month just by shifting that consumption from peak to off-peak hours. Over a year, that's $2,400 in savings, enough to pay for a significant portion of their battery system. But here's the key. You need enough battery capacity to store your daily EV consumption, plus enough solar to refill it. Undersizing either component kills your ROI. Don't forget incentives. Home batteries paired with solar currently qualify for a 30% federal tax credit, and many states offer additional rebates. These incentives could save you thousands. Just make sure to act before they expire. So, is your Powerwall big enough for EV charging? If you drive less than 40 miles daily in an efficient EV, one Powerwall 3 plus adequate solar can often handle your charging and essential home loads. but you'll need to manage your consumption carefully. If you drive longer distances, have a large EV or multiple EVs, you'll need multiple batteries. Think 2 to 4 Powerwalls or a larger battery system to avoid hitting expensive grid power every night. Always match your battery's output to your charger's needs. Level 2 chargers need 6 to 10 kilowatts. Only Powerwall 3 can reliably handle this demand. Plan for adequate solar capacity. You'll want enough panel power to recharge your battery while the sun shines. At least 4 to 5 kilowatts of solar per Powerwall. At Integrate Sun, we don't just sell batteries, we audit your actual driving patterns, electricity rates, and roof potential to design systems that fit your lifestyle and budget. We've helped families cut their combined transportation and electricity costs by 80% or more with properly sized solar and battery systems. But we've also talked people out of oversized systems when a smaller setup meets their real needs. And if this video opened your eyes to EV battery reality, smash that subscribe button and comment with your EV model and current setup. I'll personally review your configuration and tell you if it's adequate. If you'd like a deeper dive into battery sizing itself, beyond EV charging, check out our earlier video, How Big of a Battery Do I Actually Need? In that episode, I walk through backup only, solar optimization, and off-grid scenarios step by step. The link is on screen now and in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.